What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Everyone between Hooker here. Today we're gonna try, you already know, strawberry Soylent. This is a full meal replacement. I was feeling a little hungry. I wanted dinner, and I remembered, oh yeah, I got a bit of Soylent from the clearance area of the store. I remember seeing this product on Vice a few years back, like 2012, maybe 2013, and they were making this stuff. Soylent is made out of people. Just kidding. It's from a movie. So yeah, you guys aren't here to hear me talk, so let's just get right into it. It has a cap, so that's cool. I already shook it. Smells like strawberries. So let's try it.
What's up, Gary?
What's up? Yeah, so it tastes like tastes like strawberry milkshake protein drink that's been watered down a lot. It's not bad. It's not bad. And I don't see any bug particles floating in it like they showed in the factory. So that's good. Would I want to drink this for a month? Hell no. And especially it being the only thing I could eat all month? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I don't know how that guy on Vice did it. That's crazy. I'd probably lose my mind after the first 2 hours of eating this. But yeah, ready to drink meal. It's tolerable. It's tolerable. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it does taste good. So if you're a scientist or something and you're on the go and you don't have time to eat, I can definitely see how this fills you up. And it's really not that bad. I thought it was going to be awful. Honestly, I thought it was going to be awful. After the documentary and the rat in the factory and it's made out of people and everything, I really thought this was going to be awful. And it really isn't. I've been scared to drink it. I've had this for like a month and I'm just like, I didn't want to drink that. But yeah, guys, I for a meal on the go, if you're a scientist or someone really bland, yeah, definitely. Soylent. I recommend it. For everyone else, try it if you're curious. I did it so you guys don't have to. This Hooker signing out. Later, guys. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Later.